at Ellie. Look at her go. She's having a jolly time with her jolly ball on a rope. Ellie, come on. Ellie, bring it here, honey. Come on. And off I go. Oh boy, I got my pounce back. And there's Mikey. Mikey's checking out the lawnmower. I have to cut the grass so we can find Mikey, because he's such a little dude. Oh, taking care of business. This is what I'm supposed to be outside for. Good boy, Mikey. Ellie, you're such a good big sister. You're showing him the ways of the world. There we go. Oh, this is such fun. And off I go again. Oh, Ellie's just having so much fun. Oh, and here comes the little guy to check things out.
Here comes Ellie.
Come on, Ellie. Bring it here. Come on, Ellie. And off she goes again. Oh, this is so much fun. I'm having just a jolly ball time. I have to bring my whole collection out. I'm going to introduce Mikey to the whole collection of jolly balls. There we go. We're having fun.